Welcome to Sound Balance Physical Therapy. I'm Dr. Jonathon May.
And I'm Melanie.
We're creating a new series of videos which highlights the exercises in our home exercise program book.
And you can find a link to that book in the description below.
We'll be posting new content every day, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to hit the notification bell below so you can be notified every time we post.
And if there's any suggestions that you want us to make videos for, then leave a comment down below. This exercise is called step ups. It is focused on increasing your heart rate, more of a cardio exercise. So it is done by going to a step, and you step up with one foot, and then the other foot, and then step down with the first foot, and then the second foot. And you do this in a repetitive manner, again, to increase your heart rate. So if you would like to make this more difficult, you can go faster, or you can hold weights. If you don't have weights, you can just hold whatever object around your home that you can. All right, hopefully this was helpful for you.
If you find more like that, you can hit subscribe button down below.
Thanks for watching, and keep moving.